Good morning. I'm waiting the rain out. It's raining pretty hard here, so I don't want to walk inside. I have a lot of stuff to take back inside, so let's just see. I wanted to do it a little bit longer than 1 minute. Let's just see some heavy energy this morning. Oh, you could be something about a father figure in your life. You might have a heaviness when it comes to them, maybe a sentimental feeling towards a father figure or your father. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. Someone may like that lullaby. Let's see what comes out. Good morning, Spirit. Thank you so much for another day to see the light and the rain. 2 of Wands. It's a partnership coming together. Pardon my nails. I was painting earlier, or yesterday. A Queen of Cups with it could be partnering up with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. This is someone that is a mother figure in touch with their emotions, expressive of how they feel and how they love. They're a very loving person, very watery. And the Page of Wands. It's like a message. Let's see here. Let's see what else comes out. Let me blow my nose real quick. Okay. So the next card is the Page of Wands. Now upright, the Page of Wands represents adventure, youthful, creative spirit. The Page of Wands represents a youthful, feminine spirit. She is ready for adventure with her walking sticks and her sun hat. Get out there and smell the fresh air. The heart chakras that are attached to this card are heart center and green light. So this is a feminine energy that you're connecting with. Let's see what it says for the Queen of Cups. This is a new deck, so we know what the Queen of Cups is. Someone that is full of emotion, but a good emotion, right? In touch with her emotional side. Very caring person. Motherly. It's raining. I can't. Oh wait, I was going to the cups, so I'm getting distracted. Okay, so upright. Let's see here. I want to show you my nails. Nurturing and gentle. This nurturing queen is gentle and relaxed. Sipping with some chamomile tea, she reminds you to slow down and taste your food. Being busy is so overrated. Her heart chakra and green light, right? So this person, you may be someone that goes, and so maybe you're connecting with someone that is a little bit more mellow. And reminds you to slow down and chew your food. Sit down, eat. Judgment. Making a decision. Let's see if you can see it. With judgment, what do you see on the card is like a light bulb coming on. An epiphany. Epiphany. A light bulb shines. Is it an interrogation light or an aha moment? The choice is up to you. Focus on white light true self and life goals. There you go. Chakra 7. Crown chakra, white light. You can light white candles too. So maybe you've had a light bulb come on and an epiphany about a Queen of Cups partnering up. There you go. The Two of Wands partnering up with for something new. So good luck.